Guys, miss nyo na ba si Sharon Cunita at Gabby Concepcion? Update lang po. Napanood ko po ito sa kanilang Instagram, Sharon Cunita at Gabby Concepcion. Ito yung Instagram ni Gabby, update sa kanya ay nasa Japan siya. Nakipag-celebrate sa ating mga kababayan. Dahil palapit na nga ang Pasko, alam mo naman kakaiba ang Christmas sa atin. Lalong-lalo na katulad naming mga OFW ay namimiss talaga naming umuwi ng Pinas para makasama ang pamilya. At ito si Gabby Concepcion, sinamahan ng ating mga kababayan, the Filipino community in Japan. At ayan nga, sayang-saya ang mga kababayan natin. At ito si Sharon Cunita, napanood ko rin 2 days ago in her live Instagram. Napanood ko siya doon at naman ay makikita mo yung aura ni Sharon Cunita na talaga namang very blazing face ni Sharon at ang ganda ng mukha niya, ang ganda ng aura niya. At dito siya dahil nga inaayusan siya, dahil may shooting siya for commercial. At ayan nga tuwang-tuwa si Sharon. Makikita mo talaga yung kanyang imahe ng kanyang mukha na super blessing, super saya niya at medyo gumaling na ata. Wala na siyang sakit. Dahil nga, nung last concert niya sa Vancouver, Canada, ay may sakit siya. Mabuti na nga ay naito.
Hindi ko alam. Pag-uwi ko, when I was in ABS yesterday and then I was dressing up.
Mas ka lang ata kay Gabby. Hindi naman.
Hi everybody! I'm live again. Finally. Kasi I'm working today. I'm shooting a commercial. I just wanted to say hello to all of you habang inayusan ako ni B. Sige, paano yung maganda dali? Sabihin mo naman para makasagot ako. Kasi, sige na.
Ganda mo, madam ngayon.
I know, right? Actually, kay Bigaling yung ginaya ko lang. How are you? Ba't ang quiet nyo? Take na po, direct.
I was just waiting for that.
For the bag. Okay, sorry. Okay, sorry. I'm shooting a commercial, so nahiya ako bigla nag-quiet lahat. Hi, how are all of you? Thank you so much. Hindi makabasa. Nagko-comment. Ay, nakita ko.
Ito. Live stream, live time, real time.
Katabi ko. Hi, Sean. Hi.
Oh my God. Crazy question.
Sorry, I'm snorting. Hi, everybody. I just want to say I love you. I can't stay long, and I can't read because my glasses aren't with me. But I love you. I've missed all of you. And I want to thank you because I've been back to work since yesterday. I'm still jet lagging, but it's okay because blessings, diba? So we're busy with the ABS-CBN Christmas special also, but today I'm shooting a commercial. So I just wanted to say hi and check in with you, and I love you all. God bless you. I will try to get back to you soon, okay? Love you guys. Please take care and have a great, great day. Happy weekend. How do you there? Sorry. Nalimot ko.
How do you end?
Nagulat ako, hindi ko alam. Pag-uwi ko, when I was in ABS yesterday and then